In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to Clipchamp. Open Clipchamp in your browser. On the home screen, choose Create a new video or open a project you've already started. Before adding music, make sure your video clips are on the timeline so you can hear how the soundtrack fits against your visuals. There are two easy ways to add music. First, use the built-in library. On the left menu, click Music and SFX. Use the search bar or browse categories with mood words like vlog, cinematic, or happy to narrow things down. When you find a track you like, click the plus icon to add it to your project, then drag that music clip onto the timeline, placing it on an audio track beneath your video. Second, upload your own track. If you have your own audio file, click Import Media, select your MP3, WAV, or another supported format, and after it appears in your media bin, drag it under your video on the timeline. Be sure you have the rights to use the song in your project. Next, adjust the music level so it supports, not competes with your story. Click the music track to select it, then look to the right side panel for the volume controls. If your edit includes dialogue or a voiceover, lower the music to roughly 5 to 20%. This keeps the voice clear while still giving your video energy. To fit the song to your edit, trim and sync it on the timeline. Hover near the start or end of the audio and drag the edges to shorten or extend. Slide the entire clip left or right to line up musical moments with your cuts. When you need precision, use the split tool, the little scissors, to cut out sections you don't need. For a polished start and finish, add a gentle fade in and fade out. With the audio clip selected, adjust the fade controls so the music ramps up and down smoothly, avoiding any abrupt starts or stops. If your footage has on-camera audio, balance the layers. Keep the background music lower than the voice, and if the original camera audio isn't needed, you can mute it from the clip's volume control. When everything sounds right, it's time to share your work. Click Export, choose your quality. 1080p is a great default for most projects, and let Clipchamp render. Finally, download your video, now complete with a well-mixed soundtrack. Thanks for watching and happy editing!